So this video is for anybody new to Sei that's interested in getting into NFTs or learning more about them. I'm going to show you the top marketplaces and some other interesting tools that might help you when analyzing projects that you're interested in. So Pallet Exchange is currently the top marketplace for Sei NFTs. You can sort it by trending or top collections. I would say the top collections on Sei right now would be the Colony, Sayans, Weebump, Dobbs, but there are a bunch of great ones that have minted recently. The cool thing about a lot of these projects is that they're actually contributing to the growth of the ecosystem by building useful tools. For example, Sayans have built MRKT or Market Exchange, which is still currently in beta. This will be a full marketplace soon. Kind of gives you a different feel. I actually like to start on Market because it's easier to see what has been trending in the past 24 hours. You get a clear picture of floor price, volume, percent change, number of sales. I also really like that it shows the percent listed. The lower the percentage listed, typically the better for an NFT project, less sellers. So if you go to their X account, you can see here that they posted that next week they'll be releasing on-chain collection bids and instant sales, which is kind of cool. And you can see an example of them testing it out. You can learn more about Market by going into the Sayans Discord. Sayans have also built Sayans Swap, which is an OTC trading platform, and they have raffles coming soon. I have a video on this, so if you want to check that out. I showed an example of how to use that. Another thing I like about Market is it makes it really easy to see all the activity in the activity feed here. So you can see an hour ago there was a sale. You can see all the listings, the unlisting, delistings. You also have the ability, they were the first ones, where you can sweep. If you want to come in and just do a quick sweep, you can do that. Connect your wallet and you can buy right through here. So this continues to be built out. This will be, I think, a strong competitor to Pallet. Pallet has been building as well. They've added a bunch of features. So if you click into Leaderboard, this kind of gives you the hint that there's going to be potentially an airdrop for using Pallet. Same thing it looks like eventually with Market. It says Leaderboard coming soon. So I think ultimately the end user, it pays to use both of them. So I like to go into activities and sort by sales just to see what people have been buying recently. I actually keep this open in another screen and then just refresh it, and you can catch stuff early. You see a bunch come through, you can quickly look them up and see what that project is all about. So if we dive into individual projects a little bit, all-time volume, right? You have Sayans and Colony and Weebump all right next to each other. Those are all great OG projects. They're all building stuff. Colony is currently building Ant Swap. Sayans have Market and Sayans Swap OTC. Weebump created Lighthouse, which is the launch pad that a lot of these projects have used to go live. Dob is like a lifestyle brand, which is really interesting. It's got unique art and a great community. Yaka Voyager, this is a DeFi play on NFTs. They're actually building a DEX and a liquidity hub for the Sei ecosystem. So I would encourage you to definitely, dive in and take a look at these projects. There are a lot of really good ones. Outlines is the first, really true art project. It's very unique art. Bulls on Sei is another OG project that is building. They're building out this dashboard, and basically it's going to be an analytics dashboard for all these different Sei projects where you can get better insight on them. So that's interesting. And one other thing I want to point out, if you notice down here, you'll see this little chat widget. Ghosty is another Sei NFT project that has built out this messaging platform where you can instantly message across wallets, wallet to wallet on Sei, which is really interesting. Instant chat and then encryption. I saw this tweet on it today that I thought was kind of funny. It says now you can talk shit directly to paper hands. You click here, connect your wallet, and then you can chat with any other wallet address that you want to. So it's pretty interesting. So Pallet has already integrated that into their platform. And you can see Ghosties are currently traded around 70 Sei. So that is one I recommend checking out as well. But yeah, there's a lot of great projects. Alive is the first generative art project. Really, they're doing some really interesting things. Fun Foxes has a good team of developers that are building interesting things. So obviously none of this is financial advice. You need to do your own research. But in my opinion, it's worth taking time to get educated on Sei NFTs as it's just starting, and there could be a good opportunity for you to make some gains in this coming bull market if you get up to speed with what's going on as quickly as possible. I did create a full guide on the Sei ecosystem, a beginner's guide, which you can find on my website. I'll put the link in the video description below. But I have a whole section on NFTs and a lot of the stuff that we talked about, including a bunch of videos that I've done like Sayans Swap and some others. So I encourage you to check this out as well. That's it for now. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. I'll see you in the next one.